Liquid chalk markers for blackboards, bold color dry erase marker pens, chalk markers for chalkboard signs, windows, blackboard, glass 6mm reversible tip, 8-pack, 24 chalkboard labels included. Kid-safe and odor-free dustless, non-toxic formula is both eco-friendly and safe for use at home. Fine and easy to use time to replace the old dusty chalk with bold neon-colored chalk markers. Comes off easy when you're ready to write and start fresh. A mere wipe of a wet paper towel will remove your erasable chalk markers completely and easily from almost any non-porous surface. Made for everyone, whether you're a teacher, mom, student, artist, kid, bistro owner, these are the chalk markers you're looking for. 100% satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us and we'll take care of it. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.